Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert a MOV file into MP4 using HandBrake. It's super useful if your video won't play on certain devices, and yeah, it only takes a few minutes once you know what to click. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Then click on Open Source and select the MOV file you want to convert. Once you select your file, HandBrake will load it automatically. You'll see a preview pop up along with all the settings on the right side. Now look for the format setting. Make sure it's set to MP4. This is the key step that turns your MOV file into a more compatible video format. Next, go to the presets panel. If you're not sure what to pick, just choose fast 1080p or very fast 1080p. It keeps things simple and works for most videos. Now go to the video tab. Make sure the encoder is set to H.264. It gives you a clean MP4 file that works almost everywhere. If your video has sound, just double-check the audio tab. Usually you can leave it as default AAC and it'll work perfectly fine. Next, pick where you want to save your MP4 file. Then click Browse, choose a folder, and finally hit Start Encode to begin the conversion. And that's it. You've successfully converted a MOV file to MP4 using HandBrake. Simple, right? You know, once you do it a couple times, it just becomes second nature.